Hey everyone, this is Pinky Party Pony Pie, and Merry Christmas Eve, Happy Holidays, Happy Heartswarming Eve, every pony. I'm reviewing just a few things today. Some Funko Pop figures, Honey Lemon from Big Hero 6, Muerte from Book of Life, and the long day. The Target exclusive Rainbow Dash. So let's dive right into it. So we have Rainbow Dash out of the package. She is the kind of like black, like the mini Funkos. Cutie mark on both sides. Her mane is very, very sparkly, and so is her tail. The paint job on this one I think is relatively pretty nice compared to some of the others. Like I noticed with the new Princess Luna one that she had a lot of paint stuffs and like they were maybe trying to rush them. So I will set her there. And now I'm going to open La Muerte. And this is what the package looks like. Definitely, if you have not seen this movie, I recommend going and seeing it. So here's La Muerte. Her head turns. She is very, very top heavy, as you can probably tell. There's a few little marks under her. But I think she came out pretty nice. Let's see if she stands up. She may not stand up on my rug. Oh, looks like she does. And here is the packaging for Honey Lemon. And here she is out of the package. There doesn't seem to be any stuffs or anything that I can tell. But I don't know. She's really cute. Definitely one of my favorite characters from Big Hero 6. So yeah, just wanted to do a quick review, and again, happy holidays everyone. Bye.